All right, so just how durable are these twin cam engines? Today, we're gonna find out. So not quite as durable as I thought it would be. I thought it would hold up better. But I think it's got some more miles left in it. Yeah, there's where she hit the curb.
A little bent.
That'll buff. Well, it handled the road test pretty well, but let's see how it handles the drop test. Well, drop test. We lost an oil filter, but cases look good. I mean, that can be repaired. This thing can still run. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I think it's good. I think it held up on the drop test real good. Yeah.
What else can we do to it? I think Chase needs to do the honors. How many swings do you think till you break these cases? At least 3 to like get a good hole in it. Like right here, I'd say.
Was the money shot?
I'd say that's the money shot. I think it's gonna take 3 good whacks.
I bet it's 2.
2? Give her hell. Holy shit. You're gonna have to hit it harder than that.
Damn.
You're getting there. Oh.
There she is.
Honestly, a lot stronger than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
Panhead would never.
Panhead could never.
Panhead could never.
That was crazy. What the fuck are they casting those out of?
Yeah.
That was nuts. Here, try to keep going.
Flip it over.
Try to get that cam chest.
I think
Yeah.
that cam chest is really I think you can see the light of day. Yeah, right? Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
We can. Oh yeah, there you go.
See those twin cams?
There you go. Get it. Let's see a jug shot. Get some of those fins out of there. Weight reduction. Holy shit.
Those fins. No joke.
These motor mounts gotta go.
What's this area? It looks pretty good right there.
Whew. Here, Jan, you better have a swing.
Let me flip this bad boy over. What else we got over here? Oh, it's hot. Why is it so hot?
Oh yeah, we just lit it on fire.
Fire test. How can I forget?
Oh, there's all that gas. That's okay.
I'll just light it. Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, we can see a twin cam going on.
We see cams?
So this is the Harley Davidson twin cam. Education video.
You can tell it's a twin cam because of the two cams.
Is the way it is.
Just because of the way it is.